Gajan and his cell phone, and probably Ken, if you see the other flickering light, in Andrew and Eva's kitchen dancing together. And the giggling is the two girls on the side, but those guys are being really gay.
You guys, you're tired now. That was very short. You only lasted like 40 seconds. No, put the good song on. Indian song.
Silence. Well, first of all, the volume is not loud enough.
Yeah, man. And then you watch him walk in right now. Be like, what the heck is going on here? Surprise!
Okay. Gajan's doing Bollywood. If I could really film it, I would, but too bad. Oh well.
Good.